Right, welcome to another video of my for grade 11 students. Once again, this is equiangular triangles. Continuously I published a couple of many equiangular triangles. Those followed regular basis all that series of videos. They knew how to work, how to calculate equiangular type problems. Okay, we'll see two questions there from your book, that page 94, yours part 2 book. So see this question, go to your book or see here. They ask, based on the information given in the figure, name two pair of equiangular triangles. First part, name two pair of equiangular triangles. As I mentioned earlier, those followed regular. They knew what happened, how to calculate or how to find, how to observe a pair of equiangular or similar triangle pattern. So a famous question, that's see, this angle equal to this angle because of corresponding angle. Lines are parallel, right? The same as this angle equal to this angle, corresponding angle. That is enough. Two in pair of triangle, minimum two angles equal, that is enough for a equiangular triangle. Anyway, this also equal for the both of the smallest and the largest. That's called what? Common angle. Therefore, the small triangle and the big triangle equiangular. Okay, so one pair of what you can take as triangle. I write the first big one, ABF, the symbol of the equiangular to what? Triangle PEG, right? These two triangles equiangular because all three angles are equal. If they ask to prove, as I mentioned, this angle equal to this angle, date corresponding angle within brackets, this angle equal to this angle corresponding angle, that's enough. Or this is common angle. Take the other above, same idea, another pair of parallel shown. So this angle equal to this corresponding, right? And mark this angle equal to this. Okay, this is common angle. So small and the large, or large and the small. You write any method. Or triangle ABD equiangular to triangle ACG. Okay, first part is over. The second part, calculation problem. They provide you that what BD is 9, mark that, BD 9. Okay, GC 6, GC 6, AG 12, this is 12, and GE is 2, GE is 2, okay. Then find the value of GB. Can I say X? I say GB is X. And AF, where A is, I say Y, right? So in other words, find the X value and the Y. So we work many questions. Most problems come in equiangular calculation parts. They ask first part, show that equiangular. Then use what the calculation theorem. If two triangles said to be equiangular, their corresponding sides are proportional. So now how to find these, that write all the probable equations form to find. What about if I take the above triangle first? Because only one part unknown. If you take a lower triangle, y unknown, here also unknown. Therefore better above triangle completed, right? See, first part answer, triangle ABD, already mentioned, once again I say that triangle AGC, right? These two triangle equiangular. Therefore, write the ratio, corresponding sides are proportionally equal. I said always mention that earlier videos, start from the unknown part, right? But X not a side of a triangle, very important. Then you take which? This angle first. Opposite large triangle, what is that? X here 12, X plus 12, right? X plus 12 over what? This angle equal to this opposite 12, okay? Equal to, the order is important. I use the numerator from the large triangle, therefore the below small triangle. So how this one, take the other largest side, this angle largest 9 given, okay, over what that small triangle 6. No use of AC and CD, no matter. This is enough to find the x solution. Now solve this. If I multiple 12, x plus 12 equal, multiply 12, not need to write the value of 12 times 9. Try to cut the 6 here twice. That is 18, okay, 9 times 2, 18. So what the x answer, take the 12 the other side. What happens, subtract the other 6. Okay, check value. X is 6 in centimeters, right? Centimeters. Okay, now come to the y answer. Come the below pair of triangle. I show once again triangle ABF. Okay, ABF equiangular to triangle BGE. Therefore, you can write the corresponding sides. Take this angle, largest side y over small side 2, right? Equal to what? This angle opposite 12 plus x, 12 plus x, or x plus 12 over what? This angle to hit x, okay, equal to x. You know that x value, write the x value, find the y answer. Y over 2, x plus 12 is 18. Below x 4, 6, that's 3. Half of the y is 3. Half of the y is 3. So what is y answer? Cross multiple y is 6. So here both are same solution. Is it x6, y6? Okay. Right. Similar, stop the video, pause it and find this. Try one. Same idea. Go to second question. This question number is 4. But I mentioned this video, my second question, right? According to the information given the figure, name 3 pairs of equiangular triangle. There are 3 pairs. I hope you complete it. Check with me the answer. So first you mark everything. See, this angle equal to this angle. Like grade 9 maths, what you called alternate angle is that shape, right? The similar, this angle equal to this angle. Next one, your grade 8 maths, what we call vertically opposite angle. This angle equal to this. So there's only naming, not proving. If there's proof, you write it with the reason, right? So these 2 triangles are equiangular. If I write that pair, what the name? Triangle, first part answer, triangle ABD similar to triangle CTF, right? Equiangular triangles. Next, there's 3 pairs. Now come down here. Come this 2 and see this one, this one. These lines are parallel. This triangle, the same as I mentioned there. So every problem by problem improve your ability of the geometrical skills improve. So see this triangle. How that small triangle and the big one, okay. Say mentioned many times, I said earlier, this full angle equal to this angle and here equal to, like you can mention, right? Therefore the second answer is follow this type of diagram collected from there. Triangle ADE similar, they said small one ADE and the biggest one, what is that? Triangle BFC, okay, BFC. At last come to this type, this side triangle, this side small and the large one, right? Triangle, I read the small one, triangle DCDE similar to the big one, what? ABC, right? Triangle ABC. So why they asked to identify this pair of equiangular triangle? The other part is calculation. Find those letters. Find the values of A, B, C, D, like the values there. So once you set the corresponding sides are proportional, right? If you set the equiangular triangles, corresponding sides are proportional, write that proportional pattern and calculate the answer. So I will take the very first I said. If you confuse, I can show separate diagram. See what I said, the very first pair of this kind of diagram I said. Here C, here 11, here D, here 7, okay, here A, here 6. So lines are parallel. So you know this angle equal to this angle, alternate angle, okay, and this angle equal to this angle, alternate. This is vertically opposite. So can I write the ratio of two triangles said to be similar, corresponding sides are proportional. I said always write the unknown term started. Take this angle opposite A over what? This angle equal to this opposite 11. So the above value from this triangle, right? Don't misuse. I take this angle opposite 7 over this equal to this opposite D, okay? Finally what? This angle opposite 6 over this equal to this opposite C, okay, opposite C. So how this A, C, D, you need 3 equations to find those answers. If you take these 2, you can't find because 2 unknown. If you take these 2, you can't find C and D unknown. If you take first 10 laws, you can't find. Anyhow, this one thing, I see number 1. First equation, right? Next take, I mentioned second as pair of equiangular. If your problem in this diagram complicated, I will draw and write. I show here that one. See the clearly what are the parallels. According to that, find that. Let's say here B, here 5, here 6, here 4, here D, here 7. Okay. So you know this angle equal to this angle, corresponding angle. This angle equal to this, and this also acts as a common angle. So once again, that is we mentioned here pair of equiangular triangle. So write the ratio and complete the answer. Which one I take? Which one? This angle. Again I take this angle. Opposite B. Okay. Opposite B over this angle equal to this. Opposite, don't say 5. 5 not a side of a triangle. Whole length B plus 5. B plus 5 equal. Now we take what? This angle. Okay. Small side is D over this angle equal to this. Opposite D plus 7, right? D plus 7. At last, write the third ratio. Take this common angle. Opposite 4 over 6. Here you can find the answers B and D, because see, you just take the first and the last. One side unknown, here known. You can find the B, right? Take this pair, find the D. First we complete that part. So take if B over B plus 5, 4 over 6, or otherwise what easy, we cut by 2, 2/3. Cross multiple, 3 times B equal 2 times B plus 5, right? So what is that? 3B equal 2B plus 10, okay? Take the 2B this side, 3B minus 2B, 1B. So I hope you complete. B is 10. B equal 10, okay? B equal 10. And now take this and this, complete the D answer. If D over D plus 7, can I say it's 2 over 3 cut by 2? 2 over 3, right? So cross multiple this 3D equal 2 times D plus 7, okay? So what is that? 3D equal 2D plus 14, okay? Take the 2D this side, subtract, therefore D 14 is it? D is 14, B is 10. Now come to the first equation. take this and this, you can complete the A answer, is it? Take this and this, complete the, because you know the D answer. You know the D, find the A. So all quick calculation type, right? Practice it, improve your knowledge. So from the first equation, A over 11 equal 7 over D. What is D? 14, right? D is 14. Then you can find the A answer, okay? Cross multiple 11. A equals 7 over 14 multiple 11. Don't waste your time by multiple by 11. Try to cut this here 2. 11 below 2. 11 divided by 2. 5.5, okay? So A answer known. 5.5, right? Then you know the A answer, you come to the C answer. Now take this and this. Take the first and the last. So take this two. Take this two, no matter. You can find the C answer, right? I show here if, or from first equation once again, 7 over what is D14 equals 6 over C. So what the C answer, cross multiple here, look at this, twice, multiple 2 here, multiple C there, cross multiplication, C equal 12, okay? So everything is okay. A 5.5, B is 10, C is 12, D is 14. So I not use the last pair of equiangular. If you use it, you can find once again same method, right? There's many various steps there. Try to minimize your time and get full marks is the way of how to use this equiangular properties and its calculation type, okay? Next, take the other page, exercise 14.5. Go through and stop the video, try that 14.5, see what the question says and how to work those problems. So long days I'm working because very important theorem. This is one of the exam question, final paper. So those finished already, check with me the way of answering, how I explaining this, but the method of how to break the tricky point of every question. So here some diagrams there. From the sketch triangle with measurements given below, choose 3 points of equiangular triangle. See, it's type like a part 1 type, but important for future knowledge. First I complete my drawing. Triangle ABC. Okay, but I complete and I finish this diagram and start the video.